Hausa fi marry Igbo girl. Odogwu Aisha. Aisha come down. Odogwu Aisha come down. This love is the sweetest.
Young man, listen to me. I asked you several days, and you told me that this business is very pure. Now, see what happened to my money. Hi, this boy, you stop shouting, Biko. Stop shouting. I lost money too. Egon Fuku, I lost money too. Did I force you? I advised you to invest in the business, and we invested together. I lost money too. Stop shouting like a woman. You're very stupid. You're a stupid man. You're a very, very stupid man. You are mad. You're mad. You're a madman. I'm mad. You're a madman. That your whole generation is mad. Eh? Your forefathers are mad. You will give me money. That means your town people are mad. You will give me my money. You will give me money here. You will give me my money. You will give me my money. Look at this guy. Leave us. No. You were local. You will pay me this money. No, wait.
Hey, welcome, honey pie. Honey pie, why are you not talking to me? Are you okay?
I see, madam, please don't disturb me. Must I talk to you? I beg, get out.
What did I do now, Kwan? I was only asking if you're okay.
Wait, what's all these things? Eh? Did you clean this out this morning?
I woke up tired and I said I...
See, let me tell you, you are the laziest girl I've ever seen in this world. Eh? Your mother did not train you well, oh. Useless girl.
I don't understand. Why are you mentioning my mother? Why are you calling me useless? What did I do again?
See, I will call you useless over and over again. What will you do? I beg, get out.
What did I do now? What happened? Honey pie!
Love no they ask any question. Love feel Love don't care about your call.
Let me give you water. I don't understand what's going on with you. Drink water to calm your nerves. Go. God, work a sharp work. Hey, what is wrong with you, Debubu? My dear, since you come on this house, you've not said any word on me. What did I do?
My dear, please, let me be. I'm not in the mood to talk now. Please, my dear, please, just leave me. Leave me, Biko. I'm begging you, please leave me.
Haba, talk to me, Mana. What is it? Tell me, what is the problem? Did I do anything? Since you come to this house, you've not opened your mouth to say anything onto me. And I'm broken. Please speak to me. Talk to me, Mana.
My dear, please leave me. Leave me. I'm not in the mood to talk now.
Yeah?
Biko, Marka, please leave me.
Yeah?
Apon, please.
ODOGWU, now you call me my dear? Me? My dear? Bakamatima, my tama, sweetie, sugar, pumpkin, Hollandia. You now call me my dear? How about ODOGWU? She's not here, Gaskia. What did I do to you, Mana?
How many times will I tell you that my name is not ODOGWU or ODOGWU? My name is ODOGWU. When will you learn to speak Igbo?
I'm sorry.
Speak Igbo well.
I'm sorry, Mana, but it's my heart. She's shut. She's shaking because of your continuation. Talk to me, Mana. What is the problem with you? How make a parwa?
My love, don't push it. I'm not in the mood to talk. I'm very angry right now, and I wouldn't want to transfer the aggression to you. Please, I'm begging you. When I feel better, I'll talk to you about it. Biko.
So, Mama,
Biko, I don't want to transfer the relation to you. Biko, my love. I'm begging you, don't push it. Biko. Oh?
So. Wait, what is this, Mena? Tell me what is wrong with you when you are watching. because I did not do anything to you.
Love feel cross any boundary. Love don't care about your color. One love keep us together.
Two different men, same situation, two different approaches. Aggression is something personal and shouldn't be transferred. Don't allow your partner to bear the grunt of the anger they know nothing about. You see peace of mind? If you want peace of mind in your home, create the atmosphere for peace. My brother, peace of mind is give and take. If you don't give peace, don't expect peace. Peace of mind is in reciprocal. It's give and take. Garbage in and garbage out. Most importantly, marry your friend. You get why. Marry your friend. You get why.
ODOGWU and Aisha. Aisha, my time.